In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Pinterest history. If you've ever wondered why certain pins keep showing up on your home feed, or you just want to review what you've been exploring lately, your activity is the best place to look. We'll walk through the exact path to find it and talk about what you'll see there so you understand how Pinterest uses this information to shape your recommendations. Start by heading to Pinterest.com in a web browser. For the smoothest experience, use the desktop site. Since the layout is easiest to navigate there. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, you'll be ready to move into your settings. If the sidebar is collapsed, you may need to hover near the left edge or click the menu icon on to reveal it, but you're looking for the settings icon. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. It typically looks like a small gear. This icon takes you to the area where you can fine-tune how Pinterest works for you. If your account has multiple profiles or business features, make sure you're adjusting the settings for the profile you're currently using. Next, click Settings. This opens your account's main control panel. From here, Pinterest groups related options together so you can manage things like privacy, notifications, and personalization. Don't worry if you see a lot of categories. What you need is under the section that influences your recommendations. Now click Refine your recommendations. This is the area Pinterest uses to tailor your home feed based on your behavior. Things like the pins you save, the topics you follow, and your searches. Opening this page gives you tools to understand and fine-tune what Pinterest thinks you want to see. Finally, click on Activity. This is where you can view the history that affects your recommendations. You'll typically see a record of interactions that inform what appears on your home feed. Recent searches, topics you've engaged with, and pins or boards that signal your interests. Think of it as a snapshot of your browsing signals. It's helpful for reviewing what's shaping your feed and making sure it matches what you actually care about. If something looks unfamiliar, remember that even small interactions, like briefly opening a pin, can influence suggestions. Also, interface labels can vary slightly by region or updates, but the path, settings, then refine your recommendations, then activity remains the same. And that's it. You found your Pinterest activity and learned how it impacts your recommendations. If this was helpful, review your activity from time to time so your home feed continues to feel relevant and inspiring. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.